Good morning. My name is Risalat. So today I am going to discuss about deep linking by using URL scheme in iOS. Deep linking by using URL scheme in iOS. Okay. So firstly we will create a URL scheme inside a project setting. Firstly, this is a project select. Okay, and this is the general, and this is the info list, and this is the URL types. Okay. Now we're gonna create on this URL. Okay. Suppose this is we want to create on this Xcode. Okay, now we're gonna open your Xcode push 3 project. First create a URL scheme inside project setting. Okay, then create using above the link, and firstly we're gonna create on this URL scheme our project. Okay, our project bundle name push 3 and info list, add on this URL types plus, and this is add on the URL scheme and roller. This is editor same URL scheme support com dot abc dot, and our project name is push 3. Okay, this is another name same copy command C. Okay, now firstly we will create a dynamic link on a SceneDelegate. Okay, now paste on this our scheme URL scheme. Okay, now we're going to create on this URL. Now we're going to create on this URL. So URL com.risala.push3. Suppose we can add in abc. Okay, abc.push3 profile. This is a scheme, and this is a host, and this is a query. User is equal to abc. Okay, so now we're going to add on this extension on a video on SceneDelegate. Inside SceneDelegate class we have a method which will be called on tap a link by using method name is open URL context. So open URL contact deep linking. Okay, this is we're gonna add on this extension SceneDelegate. Okay, no extension SceneDelegate, and we're gonna add on this extension SceneDelegate. Okay, so SceneDelegate guard let URL is equal to URL contact dot first URL, so let scheme is equal to scheme. Okay, now we're gonna add on scheme, then we will print on this parameters. Okay, so our URL command X. Okay, and we're gonna add on this scheme URL command V, and we're gonna scheme URL add on this our scheme. Okay, compare on this same scheme the com.abc.push3 our scheme add on this our scheme project, our scheme add on this project. This is our scheme add on this project, our scheme. Okay, now add on the SceneDelegate, same type on the SceneDelegate your scheme com.abc. Okay, now in this URL command X. Okay, now we're gonna run on this applications. Now we're gonna run on this application. Scheme URL type open URL contact. The first key, then using deep linking by click on this event. Okay, run on this project. Open URL context method. This is the open URL context method by using SceneDelegate. This method handle of the deep linking. Our message is directly we gonna press on this tab and show on this particular situation. Okay, run on this app, background app. Okay, now we're gonna open your, suppose this we're gonna open your, and reminder. We're gonna create a new reminder. Suppose this is the delete. add list. Okay, and this is a deep linking. Okay, now add on this deep linking, add reminder, and this is our URL com.abc.push3 profile. This is a scheme, this is a host, and this is a query. Press on this URL. Okay, so now these parameters. Okay, then run on this parameters. Okay, now we're gonna add on this, print on this parameters. So parameters prints. Okay, now we're gonna run on this application is killed push 3 remove app, delete app. We're gonna run on this applications. So push 3 would like to send you a notification, then you use your phone notification. So not, we're gonna run on this application. Okay, we're gonna add upon this our deep linking link. Okay, then we can add on this parameters. So parameters, parameter key user abc, key user abc. Now we're gonna add on this parameters. Parameter dot host. I don't know host to invalid. We're gonna add on these conditions. Okay, SceneDelegate. We're gonna add on this method. This is okay. No parameters, add on this value. Okay, then we're gonna add on this info list. Demo and check on this our sessions. Okay, com.push3 abc.push3 SceneDelegate open and extension SceneDelegate, and add on this extension, suppose which have a URL scheme, not add on the SceneDelegate. Okay, so remove this element. Okay, guardlet return. So we're gonna add on this print URL dot query. Okay, now we're gonna run this application URL dot query. What this is URL context, open URL context app. Okay, suppose we have, you're gonna paste on this Safari, and this is a okay search, open this page push 3 open, and this opens this page push 3 query, and this we're gonna print on this query run. This is query user, and this is the defaulting value. Optional use is equal to defaulting value, but we're gonna check on this defaulting value. Okay, now add on this URL में abc com.url.abc command C. We're gonna add on this our app. Now we're gonna open your reminder. Not suppose we're gonna add on this, so reminders and new reminders, and cancel note. We're gonna add on this deep linking, new reminder, and add paste on this URL. Okay, done. You're gonna press on this URL query po URL dot query string value, and po url dot host string profile. This is the host, user equal to string optional, profile is host. Okay, now this is, we're gonna add on this value profile host, and we're gonna add on this scheme. So po url dot scheme, so it is com.abc.push3, com.abc.push3. we're gonna add on this url scheme, com.abc.push3, com.abc.push3 scheme. We're gonna check our url, com.abc.push3, com.abc.push3 to abc, and user is equal to abc profile, and user is equal to abc. Okay, now in this project and on this application, url schemes item 0. Okay, no project running SceneDelegate. Okay, then when you will be calling method of appDelegate, not support on the SceneDelegate. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy my channel, like my videos.